Hello, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Timberland White Ledge Waterproof Mid Hiker dark brown, or actually medium brown, full grain hiking boots. So let's get to it. Here's the box, nice logo. Turn over here to check name and this model number. This is 7.5. Sizing wise, Timberland usually are half a size larger, larger than Nikes. So if you wear Nikes size 8, gets Timberland 7.5 will be about the same. So open the box. I have some really cool literature here. Check out the parchment paper. Here are your boots. And place it here. It looks nicer. So it's a very plain Timberland box, and these are not the Pro, so they might look different from if you go to a department store. So I got a pair of dark brown full grain waterproof. Timberland claims that they use some waterproofing material during the leather tanning, and also they either use some internal seal to make it waterproof inside. Also, all the metal parts are rust free, so it can pretty much ready for all the elements out there if you're going outdoors. I mean, who's gonna wear them indoor, right? In the wild, of course. So these are the top grain version. There's a new buck version with a wheat tan color, and there's also a black color. So these are premium full grain leather. I figured the full grain should actually be more durable, and it can hide, blemishes and dirt easier. And you can wear them, traveling on a ship, in flight, and they kind of becomes more subtle rather than wheat tan, which makes you look like wearing construction boots. But that's still also cool. I like that color too. And nubuck leather is pretty smooth. But in terms of dirt, you might have to keep, cleaning them more. But I'm, more laid back and don't want to bother about cleaning my shoes all the time. And the internal fabric, they are using something called a rebottled technology, which pretty much using some plastic bottle and recycle them and use them as the material for woven fabrics. So it has a very good traction outsole, a lot of groove. So if you are going off-road on sand and stones and rocks, it will give you a very good traction, and you won't slip down the hill that easily. So that is one of the benefits of getting hiking boots, and protect your feet from all the branches and whatever sharp objects you might encounter going on a trail. The weight of a boot is about 1 pound, I think, and that's what they claim on their website. But yeah, but it does feel maybe just barely a pound. Well, maybe it depends on the size, but on average, I think they are fairly light in terms of boots. And let's test the bending part. So the outsole, it's pretty springy, which provides good stable pace, when you try to walk. It's not too soft. The inner sole, or these layer, pretty cushiony, so it cushions all the shocks. What else? Oh yeah, I think they appear to be just slightly darker than what the website's shown, but I think it's okay. Maybe it's the lighting too. You can't really tell here under my lighting, because then the camera aperture is different, so it might appear darker than normal, but you can pretty much think of it as dark chocolate type of dark, but like not cafe latte that light. No. The leather itself, they appear to be a little fuzzy. It's kind of like the nubuck, but less of the fuzz from nubuck, and it's some part looks darker than some of the parts. You can scratch them, and you can kind of self-heal. So this hides scratches and blemishes pretty well, and it's tough enough to, I guess, avoid a bunch of scrapes and puncture. So overall, so far, the boots is pretty lightweight and tough. Let's get these out. Can I take a look at the inside? Yeah, it has a very your generic insole, so it's not much to see there. But overall, these are very solid, waterproof hiking boots. So any rainy days, any wet and snowy, even slushy endeavor, this can totally protect yourself. And I think that's about it. Hope this information is good for you to decide whether you should buy them or not, but I mean, at this price, with it on sale, like $90 per pair, it's a steal. And even a year ago, these were on sale for $70. So if you want to wait till the end of the year for Black Friday and keep an eye on these when they're on sale, they are a steal. Because competitor boots that are about not even the same caliber, same class, it's not completely leather. But it depends on what you want. You want some ventilation, of course you don't want too much leather, and you have to upkeep the leather. But this is also, contains some kind of a ventilation, I think. It's not Gore-Tex, but it's a good deal, a good buy. Hopefully I can get some outdoor wearable on feet review, but if not, this unboxing is what it is. Unboxing, and you can look at the shoes this way. Nice. All right. See you guys next time. Bye.